Hello, welcome to another Eagle 6 Airsoft testing video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui M4 Ngrs, and this had a broken anti-reversal latch spring which has been replaced. It had some damaged wiring which has been replaced, and it had obviously various things that just need putting in the correct place. They've all been done, a few screws missing, replaced, and then it had a broken bolt stop lever, which is the lever in there, so and that is been replaced as well. So yeah, and we're now as you can see there, it's all working. Ready to demonstrate it and just get some extended testing done on the range. So let me just insert him. Hop set for 2.8s. We did range testing on 2.8s, so we know it works for that ammo type, and FPS is 284 with the weight optimized there amount. There we go, all tested, working. We hope you enjoy. Thank you.